Oh, there's 7. Altogether, there's 7 now. 8.
And there's plenty of rice.
There's 4 there. There's 5. There's 2 on the other end. There's 8 now.
I need that. I need that Panasonic because you can't.
6.
Look at that.
7. Oh, I hope you get a picture now.
Oh, I got this on film. You'll be able to watch it on YouTube. In fact, if you want to go, when you go to sell the house, you can send someone to a YouTube channel and say,
You can deal with your friends, the birds.
meet your neighbors.
Those are incredible, ain't they? I didn't know we'd get fucking 10 in here.
Yeah, this would actually, you know, like someone's interested in the house, I'll give you my channel. You can see, you can say, go to this and view the birds taken from your balcony, or meet your neighbors or something.
Meet your visiting friends.
While you're having breakfast, just cook a little more, or bring some bread, or give them some pancakes and waffles.
I'm going to give him another.
Okay.